Quick little update on Vechain then. As we can see, we are essentially in that rock and hard place situation here of looking like it wants to break to the upside. As you can see, we've got that resistance that I've had drawn in for a little while here. We came up, made that swing high, didn't we, in the local area. Obviously, a little bit of a, like people said, head and shoulders formation. We come down to the support, which is that 0.23 Fibonacci at 2.7 cents. We get the bounce up to the resistance trend line. We come back down, we get the deviation below support, but we come back down. As you can see, we've actually come back down and pretty much retested that area again. Now really looking like we're either going to break down below this support level, the 0.23 Fibonacci here, and probably come down and test this level here around 2.5 cents, or we'll break above this resistance trend line and then start heading back up towards that swing high around 4 cents. We've also got that interesting bear market, overall bear market resistance for Vechain, which now sits at around 3.7, 3.6 cents. So if we did come back up to that local swing high and retest it, we'd also be retesting that bear market resistance now, which is obviously going to be a big area of contention. There's a big load of resistances here. That previous bull market support level, first support level here and second support level here. These two Fibonacci levels are going to be big levels of resistance, along with this descending bear market trend line here as well. I do think overall Vechain's going to do very well in the next bull market. Obviously, it's one of those cryptos that is well established. I do think it's probably going to see itself going up to new all-time highs. But overall, as we can see here on the charts, looking like it's essentially picking up off these lows, breaking out, coming into this lovely, lovely, lovely Fibonacci level to back test. And you'd expect realistically going into the bull market in a few months, we're going to see ourselves heading up through these Fibonacci levels pretty damn quick. They always have a lot of cohesiveness. What's the word that I'm looking for here? They always have a lot of, well, they tend to work well, let's just say that, going into the bull market. In bull markets, Fibonacci levels do tend to work really, really well. If we just take a look at this fib pull from, that is not a fib, that is a position. A fib pull from here to here, you can see some of these levels being really well respected on the chart, as you can quite clearly tell, and it will be exactly the same going forward. Even just a fib pull from here to here, you can see these levels are all the way up using resistance and support, and it's going to be no different this time around, in my opinion. Fibonacci levels always get really nicely respected in crypto because of the sheer volatility of it. People need places to take profits, and overall it looks like it's just gearing up for the bull market. So let's see what happens next.